Hello friends, welcome to yet another exciting opportunity. Did you know that you can get a UK seasonal job with a visa sponsorship? That's right, there are hundreds of jobs that are available even right now as I speak for seasonal workers, and the hiring companies are giving visa sponsorship. So what I'm going to do is to take you through what the seasonal worker visa sponsorship is all about, which companies are offering these jobs with visa sponsorship, and how exactly you can apply for these jobs. If you don't watch this video until the end, you will surely miss some of the information and you're going to struggle when you try to apply. And if you are seeing this video late, then that is probably because your notifications are turned off. Please make sure that you turn on those notifications so that you'll be among the very first ones to see the opportunities that I share on this channel. Because you don't want to head to a page, try to apply, and they tell you, oh, we have received overwhelming applications and now we are full, we are no longer receiving applications. Because my interest is to make sure that you get what you were looking for when you decided to subscribe to this channel. So just make sure that you turn those notifications on so that you don't miss these opportunities. Having said that, let's go. So what you are seeing right here, my friends, is a website that has a combination of companies that are offering seasonal jobs with visa sponsorship. So as you can see, we are going to go through all of this, but I'll make sure it doesn't take long. So as you can read the heading here, UK seasonal work companies hiring foreigners with visa sponsorship 2024. And this job was just posted last week, as you can see here. So first, we need to understand what does it mean to get a seasonal worker visa sponsorship. So let's check it out. So right here you have seasonal work in the UK presents a promising avenue for individuals around the world looking to gain work experience, earn income, and immerse themselves in British culture. Many companies across various industries actively hire foreigners on seasonal work visas, offering opportunities that range from hospitality to agriculture to tourism. So that is just the background. So when you come to this page, you will read the rest of it by yourself. But I just wanted to give you that introduction before we jump into something deeper. So here they talk about the jobs themselves, the companies, and as you can see here, UK seasonal work companies hiring foreigners with visa sponsorship provide valuable opportunities for individuals seeking temporary employment in diverse sectors. So these are the sectors they mention, and then this is more information that you need to understand what a temporary work visa means. And if you remember in one of our videos about charity work visa sponsorship, that also falls under temporary workers. If you didn't watch that video, you can click right here and you watch it, and maybe you can just apply to one of the 1,318 charity organizations that offer visa sponsorship in the UK. But for today, we are talking about the others except that one. So let's continue. So I won't go through this because these are other recommended jobs that you guys can take on. If you are from Canada, for example, you can come and check out these jobs. Retail stock associate jobs in Canada 2024. If you're interested in administrative assistant jobs in the UK, you can just come and click right here and you get them. Nursing jobs in Canada right here. Driver jobs in Canada, they are here. Skilled trade jobs in Canada, they are right here. And even you have more jobs around here. Okay, you can even just search for them directly if yours is not listed, but that's not what we are interested in right now. We just want to continue with what we came to find out. Right here you have the companies that are offering these jobs, and these companies are offering these jobs right now, as in at the moment, because these jobs were posted 1 week ago, and I have checked them out and I see that the jobs are still live. So if you guys are ready, you can actually go ahead and apply for these jobs. And I'm going to show you how you're going to apply. But I must emphasize, if you don't watch this video until the end, you will struggle, and we shall know that you didn't watch this video by the type of question that you're going to put under the comment section. But if you watch it keenly, you will surely be able to apply for these jobs, and who knows, just like that, you will find yourself in the UK with a visa sponsorship job, and that's exactly what I want. So let's move on. So here you can see we have G Fresh, a leading fresh producing company that often hires seasonal workers from abroad. We have Barfoots of Botley, known for hiring international workers for their seasonal roles. AW Motia, a company in the agriculture sector that sponsors seasonal visas. Whole Hunter Partnership, a large soft fruit grower in the UK that frequently hires foreign seasonal workers. S&A Produce Jobs, a major grower of strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries in the UK. Then we have AG Recruitment and Management, specializes in recruiting seasonal agricultural workers for farms across the UK. So right now, let's just check which kind of job roles do they have. Before we go to the parts where you can actually apply, we can peruse through this and get a glimpse of the roles each company that has been listed here is having at the moment. So for G Fresh, they're saying they have harvesting vegetables and salads, packing produce, general farm labor. And you want to know, do they offer visa sponsorship? So right here you can see visa sponsorship. G Fresh is known to sponsor visas for foreign workers during their peak seasons. They have a history of hiring workers from various countries for seasonal positions. The application process is here. We shall come to that later. Then Barfoots, the jobs they have are field workers for planting and harvesting, pack house operatives, quality control staff. And in regards to visa sponsorship, Barfoots sponsors visas for seasonal agricultural workers and has programs specifically designed for international workers. So that is clear. We want to confirm before we apply, because you guys sometimes come and say, I checked out the job, but they say they are not offering visa sponsorship. So this time I want only opportunities that clearly state they offer visa sponsorship, because that's what you guys want, right? So these ones also, we want to see which jobs they have. They have fruit pickers, packers, and general farm workers. Do they give visa sponsorship? Yes. And they say Whole Hunter frequently hires seasonal workers from abroad and sponsors visas under the seasonal worker visa scheme. Okay, how about Hope's Labor Solutions? Okay, what do they have? Various agricultural roles such as harvesting, planting, and packing. Then they have opportunities across multiple farms and locations. They give visa sponsorship. Hope's helps place international workers with farms that sponsor seasonal worker visas. Actually, for the Hope's Labor Solutions, what they do is that they have a list of their visa sponsors. So if you want to get a placement with them, you apply for a job but through the visa sponsors. That's the difference between this particular company and the others. They act on behalf of the farms that need workers. So it's like an agency. Then we come to S&A Produce Jobs. They have fruit picking, packing, and farm maintenance. And for visa sponsorship, S&A Produce sponsors visas for seasonal workers through the seasonal worker visa scheme. Then we check these ones. AG Recruitment. These are the roles. I'm not going to continue reading all the roles, but we want to check if they have visa sponsorship. Yes, recruitment helps place international workers with firms that sponsor seasonal worker visas. Okay. Then we have these ones. These ones work with firms that sponsor seasonal worker visas and assists with the visa application process. So these ones will even assist you with the visa application process, because that is also not quite obvious. So right here they show you what will happen in case you go through and you need to apply for that visa, and these are the steps of the process of receiving that visa. Here also they give you some tips for applying and tips for success. So with that, we are now ready to check out a few of these companies that have been listed and see which jobs they have and how can you apply for them. But before we go there, if you are getting any value at all in this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. You can even do it right now. Thank you for doing that. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button right now, because these are the kind of opportunities that I share in this channel, and I'm sure you don't want to miss them. And maybe you don't need them, but you know somebody who needs them. So the best thing you can do is to subscribe, and when an opportunity is shared, you simply share the video with those that might benefit. And for those who are seriously looking for opportunities, make sure that your notification bell is turned on. That's the only way you will be among the first to see this video. Unless of course you are one of my members, because those ones get to see the video much earlier than everybody else. Alright then, let's move on. So to apply for these jobs, you could come and decide to apply from here, but then if you come here, they will take you to this page where you put in your full name, age, phone number, email, country, blah blah, position you're applying for. You see, when it comes here and expected salary, then it gets complicated. Okay, so I don't recommend that you come and apply from here. You should come to the specific companies. Let's say you want to apply to GFresh. You can just come where there is GFresh here, and then you click. So when you come here, you will see seasonal work. We have opportunities at our East Anglia sites in agricultural work such as planting, harvesting, and packing. This is mostly manual work and involves considerable amount of walking, bending, and lifting. We work outdoors in all weathers. So these are offering seasonal contracts that last between 3 to 11 months. As you know, most temporary job visas are given for about 12 months. But the good news is that they are renewable. But that is the condition from the UK government. So for this, they are also giving between 3 to 11 months. There are no fees for applying for employment. This is the most important part for all these jobs. There is no fees for applying, guys. Just apply for free. In fact, if anybody asks you to pay a fee for applying for these jobs, then in fact you should report to that particular company that somebody is trying to get money from you, and you'll be assisted in your application. So some of the openings they have right now are here. Field-based operator. If you are interested, you can read about this and then you click here, apply now. They also have production operator. If you are interested in that, you can click here. And they also have skilled jobs like this. This includes tractor driving, operating a forklift truck, being a member of the quality team, driving a bus, or operating spray equipment, as well as supervisory or administration roles. If you are interested in this, you click here, apply. If you have any questions, you come and check them out here. If they are part of them, you might find the answer. So let's check a few more others, then we close this video. So let's say you also want to check out this one. So you can just come here and you click. So once you click, it takes you to this part. And as you can see clearly stated here, current vacancies. And that's exactly what we are looking for, current vacancies, because we want to get the job right now. So what current vacancies are they having? Here we go. If you have a specific interest, you can search it here. Otherwise, these are some of the jobs they have: warehouse operators and forklift drivers. This job was posted 2 days ago. It is on site, it is in this location, and it is full time. The others are here: production team leader, crop production manager, factory operatives, skilled operative, multi-skilled engineer, junior purchase ledger assistant, production machine operator, and so forth and so forth. And with this, it is very easy to apply. Send your CV to this email. You can also just click here. It takes you to the part where you can send your email directly like this. So I'm only going to leave the link for the main page. This part which I am explaining here is for those who are following up to this point to know what to do, or those who will watch the video up to the end, because it is not necessary to get all the links and then you put them under the video description, when you can only have one that can take somebody to all the opportunities that are available. So I'll just leave only that first one, and then you guys will just follow the steps that I'm showing you right now. So let's check out another one. So if you are interested in whole hunter partnership jobs with visa sponsorship, You can just come here or here, your choice. But let's go here because it has careers. So for them, they say how to apply for a job. To apply for a fruit picking or harvest job at one of our partnership farms, simply fill in our application form below. If you have any questions or would like more information, please don't hesitate to contact us. So you can get in touch here or you can apply from this position. So let's check out also S&A. We just come here to careers. Here it's written on current vacancies, exactly in our interest. So these are the vacancies they currently have. Apply today and start your tasty career with us. So they have sprayer and tractor operator roles. They also have due diligence coordinator. So if you're interested in those, you can apply. And this is the payment that you should be expecting, £11.44 per hour. And you'll be paid weekly directly into a UK bank account of your choosing. So you'll be required to open a UK bank account to receive your payments. And these are the working conditions: minimum of 32 hours per week, and on average you'll be expected to work 42 hours per week. So 42 hours times £11.44 per hour, then you can easily calculate how much you should expect to get per week. So let's look at one last one, then we close this video. So this is the last one. So here they talk about what they offer. What I liked about this company is that they said here, if none of the jobs advertised are suitable, then please email us your CV and we will be in touch. So if you go through their website and you find that your job of interest is not listed, then you can just email them your CV. They'll take a look at it. They look at your experience and your qualifications, and they see if they have a position they can offer you, which is good news, right? Yes. And if you're applying from overseas, this is the guidance that they are giving you. What you should expect is here. The activities covered by this scheme are here: picker, tunnel worker, irrigation worker, crop maintenance, accommodation. Accommodation is normally available on the placement. Generally, this is mobile home accommodation. The pay, the UK minimum wage is currently £11.44 per hour. So this is the minimum you should expect to be paid, but it could go higher depending on your experience and your role. So if that's something that you are interested in, you can actually apply. And for these people, you can just, let me zoom this email address and contact. You can pause the video and then you copy this email address and this phone number, so that you'll be able to contact them directly if you have any queries or if you want to ask about any other available opportunities. So if you have found this video useful, please make sure that you share it with other people so that they may also benefit. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.